So you can see you can see the relationship I have created. So if it is red color, it is saying one to many. If someone will ask what is relation between company and controlling area, so it is one to many. And then company code to controlling area to company code, again it will be one to many, but company code to controlling area, it will be one to one.
Okay, green is 1 to 1, red is green 1 to many.
And blue one is many to many. What does it mean? This distribution channel 2, if we are talking about the relation between sales organ distribution channel, it is many to many. Means one sales organization may have many distribution channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, many distribution channel. And the same distribution channel can have this sales organization, different sales organization. If you are talking about company code to sales org, one company code can have n number of sales organization. Like this, one company code can have sales org 1, sales org 2, sales org 3. Correct. But one sales org can be assigned to only one company code. क्लियर है या डाउट? क्लियर है ना? तो ये रिलेशनशिप बेसिकली whenever we have one to one or one to many, that need to take care. That is the few things only. Rest all will be many to many. Interviewer will ask this relationships. What is the relation between? Or they can ask in a different way. Like can I assign one sales organization to multiple company code? So no, we cannot assign. We can. So this one is having 1 to 1. So one sales organization can be assigned to only one company code. We cannot assign to multiple company code. But one company code can have multiple sales organization. ठीक है? Okay. I had told you we should remember this path, how where this organization unit is there. So in SD we have sales organization, distribution channel, group and office. This plant and division is having in logistic general. Still SD is responsible to create plant, not a division. A division. Plant who will create, plant will be created by MM.
Okay.
SD guy is responsible only for these 4 plus division. That's it. Rest all will be done by the other consultant. Like FI consultant will do these 2 and MM guy will do this one. These all also LE, logistic execution guy will do these things. SD consultant is also responsible for BP. BP is nothing but customer master. And for material master, MM guy will do the material master. These all things we will learn later. Once course will go down, then we can learn these all things. For the time being, we can leave it. Now we can learn like apart from what we have learned earlier, there are some few org unit which should know only. Actually, these all are not in our scope, but we should know. So company, what is company? We had done that one. Company is like, company will help in grouping the company code. Correct. So अगर मल्टीपल कंपनी कोड है तो उसको हम ग्रुप करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपनी. what is credit control area?
Control credit activities.
Yeah, it will help in maintaining the credit score or credit limit. Controlling area, whatever cost is coming to the company, so whether it is manufacturing cost or service cost, that is controlled by the controlling area. Purchase organization, so this company is again not mandatory. Credit control area and controlling area, these two are FI org unit, and purchase organization is MM unit.
Okay.
Sales organization is, what is sales organization? Sales organization is highest organizational unit for SD.
Okay.
Okay, for SD guy, sales organization is highest. We will assign everything into the sales organization. So what all control are there in sales organization? Controls are like, first it is currency. Okay, then the text, what all text, like if you are going to print, or if you are going to take some text, or like company address, sales, your logo and those all things, so those all will come from the sales org unit. There we will assign this all text. The main things is this checkbox, rebate procedure activation. So your company, your sales organization is going to follow the rebate process or not. Rebate and discount is two different things, correct?
Rebate means how rebate activity?
No, first rebate and discount is two different things. Is it okay, or
Right.
I need to
No, okay.
okay,
Fine.
so even if you have done the setting for rebate, if you have like maintain the condition record and everything for rebate, if this check is not checked, if this box is not checked, your company cannot process the rebate. Your company is not allowing to for rebate. This is one of the prerequisite to process the rebate. Got it? So
In terms of what? Rebate in terms of what?
rebate comes, see, rebate and discount both are like you are giving some less price. So
Right.
rebate is
Rebate
like,
something.
rebate is like, rebate will come with some time frame. Like discount, you are coming to the so you are buying this order and you are taking 10 rupee discount. So that is discount. But the condition is like, buy for the quarter, buy for the year. If you have achieved suppose 10 lakhs, then we will give you 5% discount. So that if you have some agreement for the time frame, that is called rebate.
Additional discount.
So yeah, so if for limited time period, if we have agreement, if we have any condition like if you will do this quantity or this much amount, then we will give some certain discount, that will be called as a rebate. But even if you have maintained everything and if this check is not checked, then you cannot process the rebate. So they will ask many times question. This is the, like every 10 interview you will get this question. To process the rebate, what is the prerequisite? The prerequisite under sales organization, we have to check this one. Then important part is coming, this one, ALE data for purchase order. ALE full form is application linking enabling. Okay,
Okay.
so we have some third party actually. Let me explain this one first. So this one I will explain. In normal scenario, how SD works? What is work of SD? How SD works? SD work is this one only. Any customer will place order to company, company will create delivery, then invoice, and then it will submit the invoice to the customer, customer will pay to the company, that's it. This is the order to cash cycle, correct?
Right.
Rest so again customer is giving order to company, company is creating delivery, company is creating invoice and submitting to customer. This is the sales, what is order to cash process. But see, there are some scenario where company is not creating delivery. So suppose customer so for bullet and those all, if you will go to the shop, they will not give you immediate delivery, correct? They will take 6 months or 1 year time.
Right.
What they will do once, so in that scenario what is going on, when customer will place order to company, company will give PO to the vendor or suppose some another unit.
Okay.
This guy, what they will do, this another guy will deliver goods to the customer, and then company will create the invoice.
Okay.
Got the point? So suppose for us also, we are selling batteries, correct?
Right.
It, our company is not manufacturing the battery unit.
Right.
What they will do, once we will get the order, we will place, same time we will place PO to the battery vendor. Battery vendor will deliver the goods to the customer. That's depend, either they will directly deliver to the goods to the customer, or they will send it to us, we will deliver, that's another matter, correct? So if vendor is delivering the goods, so how we will send this PO, how system will consider this PO and those all details, how PR is generating, for that only we will use this data, ALE data. Here we will fix the purchase organization, purchase group and vendor and order types, then system will able to create this purchase PR copy, purchase requisition.
Okay.
Clear na?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Got it.
Here we have mentioned like then again as a last point is calendar, sales organization calendar. So if we are talking about calendar, we have two type of calendar. One is factory calendar and one is customer calendar.
Okay.
So factory calendar is like when our factory is running, what is the time, what is the date, when is the holy date.
Okay.
Suppose if customer has asked any material on Tuesday, okay, and it will take for it will take to transit the material for 3 days, then when we will start the material, when we will load it.
After our completion of holiday.
So what is the date actually? Tuesday they are asking, and it will take 3 days. So when we will start? We will start like Tuesday. Then Tuesday it will take, Monday it will take, then Sunday we will start. But Sunday we are not working. So we have to.
Friday will start.
Then we will either Saturday, if we are working then Saturday, otherwise Friday we have to start. So how system will understand this all logic when we need to initiate. They will understand with help of this calendar, factory calendar. Okay, but sometimes will happen like they customer take accept the material only on Saturday and Sunday. They will say no, we have a working hour Monday to Friday, so we cannot accept any material during our working days.
Right.
Saturday Sunday is our holiday, so you can send material only on Saturday Sunday. How any company will remember these all term and condition for each and every customer? We cannot do, correct? Or suppose even like a salesperson has a salesperson know this, but he has not communicated to the company. It may possible. Then what will happen? Company will send the goods, customer will return the material. So there is a loss for the company. These all things how we can maintain? We can maintain with the customer calendar. So we have two type of calendar: factory calendar and customer calendar. Got it?
Yes, got it.
So what all controls are there in sales organization? Currency, text, calendar, rebate and daily data.
LED.
Got it, na? We have two factory calendar. So sometimes you will see this colorful lines. This colorful lines is saying like you have to remember this. This is interview question.
Pink lines.
Yeah, pink lines. Pink lines on any other color is there. That means that is the important one. That is interview question.
Okay.
So again we have seen this all. So what is rebate process activation? What is sales organization? daily data. Similarly, we have shipping point. Okay, shipping point actually it's come under logistic execution (LE), but it's also sometimes SD consultant should know these all. Okay, so here we are seeing factory calendar. Again we are no. This is the first important things is departure zone. So what is first? What is shipping point? We had gone through. What is shipping point?
Shipping one means below part where we are providing services.
No.
Warehouse.
Shipping point is the place from where we are shipping our goods to the customer.
Actual delivery is happening.
So like if we are loading, if we are sending goods from train, there may be a rail rack from where we will load goods to on the train, or if we are sending through truck, from where we are loading into the truck, that is called the shipping point, from where we are shipping the goods. Okay, in that we have departure zone. Departure zone is the one of the unit. So departure zone will say in that shipping point may have some points, small points, like one unit is there from where we are loading on a 16 tire truck. We are also leading on the pickups, small cars. So we will have some points, that is called departure zone. Okay, then we have a factory calendar. Again calendar we assign factory calendar we assign I think 2 to 3 places, and customer calendar we will assign only into the customer master.
Okay.
We have two calendar, factory calendar and customer calendar. We assign factory calendar for three organization unit: sales organization, plant and shipping point. Very important questions. Where all we assign calendar? We assign calendar at 3 places: sales organization,
So, plant and shipping point.
and shipping point. and customer calendar will be into the customer master.
Right.
So shipping point, again we have the calendar. Then working time. What is the working time for the company? Correct. Departed loading time. If we have any specific time, only this time we will work, then we can do this.
Okay.
These 3 4 points are only important in the shipping point. Almost done. This organizational unit is almost done. Okay, now we can see the master data. I think you had not taken the organizational unit from the beginning. You had missed one class now.
Mhm.
So you may just go through once last course.
It's good. Sure.
Now, if we are coming to the master data, we have. So first, what is the master data? What all type of master data is there in SAP? We have two
So,
type.
Manoj bhai,
Huh.
the other person is not going to continue because master data is the main thing in SAP SD.
Okay,
So,
okay.
yeah, just confirm whether he's going to continue. Otherwise, if he missed it, he,
No, means tomorrow. You are asking for tomorrow, huh?
yes, yes. Because the main thing SD में मेरे हिसाब से master data ही है, right?
Main thing
Actually,
is. Wait. Let me stop the recording.